How do you sketch an elephant using just the numbers 1 through 4? That sounds like a crazy challenge. He's starting with 4 and moving down, which is a pretty unique way to map this out.
And I'm trying to figure out how these digits are going to form a face. Wait, look at that. By merging the 2 and the 3, he's creating the trunk and the tusks. That is actually brilliant design.
It's incredible how the 3 forms the curve of the head so naturally, and the way the 2 transitions into that long trunk is just perfect. I'm honestly stunned by how well this works.
Now he's turning the number 4 into the body and legs. It fits the proportions perfectly. What's wild is how the numbers just disappear into the drawing once he adds the final touches. So what's the number 1 for? Wait, he turned it into an apple.
No way!
That is such a clever finishing touch. I never would have guessed that.